Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wondering how to check incognito history on Google Chrome on Android? Stick around because today I'm going to show you how. First things first, incognito mode in Google Chrome is designed to not keep any history of your browsing. Once you close those tabs, the history is gone. That means under no normal circumstances, you can see the history of incognito tabs once they are closed. This is all about keeping your browsing private. However, if you're looking to monitor activity or keep tabs on your privacy, there are a few alternatives you might consider. Apps like Off the Record History for Chrome might help during your sessions by temporarily saving your history until you close Chrome. Remember, this method should only be used for ethical purposes like monitoring your own device or ensuring your kid's safety online with your consent. There's no standard way to retrieve incognito history because, well, it's meant to be incognito. Always browse responsibly and respect privacy. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.